Yes. Good morning, student. Today we will look at the new topics where we had stopped last time. Before that, let us just revise what we had done in the previous lecture. So, what were the topics that we had started with in the previous lecture? Can anybody just recollect? Roll number 28 of C division. Are you present? Manali Purita, I suppose, na? Manali, you are there? Division C, 28. Siddesh Mohite, you are there? Siddesh Chauhan, you are there?
Ma'am, we solved problems on differential, ordinary differential equation using methods like variable separation method, homogeneous method, etc.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we started with homogeneous, I suppose, na? Last time?
Yes.
Yes.
Non-homogeneous.
We stopped at non-homogeneous. We started with homogeneous and we stopped at non-homogeneous. Just the first type on case 1 I explained you all, and case 2 we were going to do today. So let's just revive or recollect quickly because what was the thing? Homogeneous. What do you mean by homogeneous differential equation? dy by dx is of what type?
f of xy
Mx
upon g
upon
of x.
n.
Yeah, so can we say either f or g or m or n? F of xy upon g of xy, where f and g are, I'm talking about homogeneous differential equations. So
Homogeneous of same degree.
degree, yes, homogeneous
Homogeneous of same
functions
degree.
of same degree, correct. And then once we got that it is homogeneous function of same degree, then what we had to do after that, we had to do some substitution. What was the substitution?
Y by x
Y by x
with
is equal to
u.
u.
Very good. Y by x is equal to u. Okay. So after you substitute y by x is equal to u, if it is dy by dx, put y by x. If it is dx by dy, put x by y. And then you substitute the value of dy by dx as well as dx by dy or dx by dy in the equation and get it converted to variable separable in u and x. And then back substitute the value of u at the end, you will get the solution. That was homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Degree of the function in the numerator and degree of the function of all the terms in the denominator is same. Then we started with non-homogeneous differential equation. So we were looking at typical type of non-homogeneous equations. What are those? Those are dy by dx is equal to, yes, rule number 4, division C. What is the non-homogeneous differential equation that we are going to see? What type? Mustafa? dy by dx is equal to, quickly. Rule number 5, division C. Sit down. What happened? Nobody has completed the notes or what? I won't share this video today because you are not answering. A1x plus B1y plus C1 upon
A2x plus
A2x
B2y
A2x plus B2y plus C2.
C2.
You have not completed your notes. Whoever I asked today, before end of the day, I want all the notes to get complete and you have to send it to me on WhatsApp group. Roll number 4, division C, roll number 28, roll number 29, division C. All of you all have to complete your notes and show it to me, send it to me. Because you are not writing it down and that's why you are not remembering it. Okay? So, dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is the type of non-homogeneous differential equation that we are going to see. And why it is non-homogeneous? Degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1, but the constant term is of degree 0. That's why this is non-homogeneous as well as the denominator is non-homogeneous. And in that there were two cases. So what's the first case? Case 1 is a1y
A2 equals
A2
B1
equal
upon
to
B2.
B1 upon
C1
B2.
by B2.
very good. A1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. That is the first case. Okay. So in that case, if this ratio is satisfied or the ratio is equal, then what happens? Then we get some term which is common between the numerator and denominator. Did we do the example or we just wrote the explanation?
We did one example.
We did one example.
So
Okay. Can you just tell me what was the example?
dy by dx equals to x plus y plus 2 upon
Okay.
2x plus 2y plus 3.
Okay, we'll just revise one more example and then I'll give you one question from homework, then we go to type 2 also. So a1 by a2 if it is equal to b1 by b2, then in the numerator and denominator there will be some common factor. That common factor has to be substituted as a new variable u, and then you get converted. That question either converts to homogeneous or variable separable, and we will solve it by the previous methods that we have seen. So let us take an example. And those who have understood, you can start with that. Remaining students, please listen. I will solve it here. Okay? Yes, the question is solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 1 upon 6x plus 9y plus 6 is the differential equation. dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 1 upon 6x plus 9y minus 1 plus 6. This is equal. Yeah. So look at the question. What is a1? A1 is the coefficient of x in the numerator. So a1 is equal to 2 and a2 is equal to 6. So what is a1 by a2? 1 by
1 by
3. And what is b1 by b2? B1 is the coefficient of y.
3 by
1 by 3.
Yeah, 3 by 9, which is again 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Now look at the question once again. So if you take here, this is 6x plus 9 and this is 2x plus 3. If you take 3 common, then what you get? dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 1 upon 3 into 2x plus 3y plus 6. Okay, so you can see that there is a common factor 2x plus 3y. Put that substitution. So put whatever is the common factor that you have to put as a new variable. So 2x plus 3y is equal to root is your substitution. Okay, and once you do this substitution, now what will be your derivative term? dy by dx it is. So I have to differentiate with respect to x. इसके साथ differentiate करना है x के साथ. So differentiate this equation with respect to x. It is 2 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus 3 into derivative of y with respect to x is equal to d by dx.
U by dx.
Okay, so reframe this equation to get the value of dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 2 divided by 3. This 2 went on this side, so it became minus 2, and this 3 came in the denominator, it became divided by 3. So dy by dx is this, and therefore equation 1, given differential equation, will become, yes, tell me quickly, what becomes, the differential equation becoming, it will become du by dx minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to, what is the right hand side? Just have to put the value of 2x plus 3y is equal to u. So what it will become?
u minus 1
Yes,
U minus 1 upon 3u plus
3u
6.
plus 6.
7 upon 3 plus 6. So again you can see in the denominator you can take 3 common, that 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So du by dx minus 2 is equal to u minus 1. 3 you take common, so it is u plus 2. This 3 and this 3 cancels. And now reframe it. It is du by dx is equal to u minus 1 upon u plus 2 plus 2. And simplify it. It is u minus 1 plus 2u plus 4 divided by
U plus 2. U plus 2.
okay. And therefore now you can clearly see that entirely the term which is on your right hand side is a function in u. is a function in u. So you can separate out the function in u along with du and dx on the other side. So it will become u plus 2 divided by, what is the numerator? The numerator
3u
is
plus
3u.
3.
3u plus
3.
3. Okay, this is du is equal to dx. And now this is purely during the integration. I had told you this formula ax plus b upon cx plus d. If you remember the formula, you can use that directly, or you can try to adjust the terms in the denominator, numerator with the help of denominator. So again, 1 by 3 you can take common. This you can write as u plus 1 plus 1 divided by u plus 1. Is it okay? I took 3 common, so u plus 1 is left. U plus 2 can be split as u plus 1 plus 1 du is equal to integration of dx plus constant of integration c. Can you see this side? Dx plus c, can you see?
नहीं मैम
Okay.
नहीं दिखते
Okay, so I'll write it down. Is equal to integration dx plus c. Now simplifying that, this is 1 by 3. The first term is u plus 1 upon u plus 1 is 1, which is du. I'll write directly, okay? Du integration is u plus 1 upon u plus 1. What is 1 upon u
plus
plus
1.
Log of
integration
u
of
plus 1.
log of u plus 1. And that is equal to x plus c.
C.
And now let's substitute the value of u. What was the substitution for u? U was, I think this 3 on this side.
3y.
Yes.
2x
2x
plus
plus 3y plus log of 2x plus 3y
plus 1.
is equal to 3x
3x
plus
plus c1.
c1. 3c, which is c1. So that's your answer. 2x plus. You can also simplify this.
X minus 3y
X
minus
minus 3y. Yeah, that also you can do. So taking all the terms from this side and then c on other side, you can get it as 2x minus 3x will become actually minus x plus 3y plus log of 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to c1, or x minus 3y minus log of bracket 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to c. Is that okay? Depends on the answer which is given in the option. Now, if your luck is very tough, then you can get such a lengthy question also for 1 mark. So you have to be quick enough to solve this type of questions also. Is it okay?
Yes ma'am.
So x minus 3y is equal to log of 2x plus 3y plus 1 is plus c is your answer, or x minus 3y minus log of the term in the bracket is equal to c is the answer. Clear to everyone? सबको समझ में आया? Whatever we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
मॅम
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah.
परत एकदा सांगता का?
Yeah. I will take.
हाँ मैम.
Yes,
हाँ
sure,
मैम
sure.
पीछे एक बार शॉर्ट में
Yeah, short में बता दिया. मुझे नहीं बता दिया. Okay. आपका question है dy by dx is equal to 2x. Just a minute. Those who have already done it, completed, you take out the question, this question for solving right now, and the remaining students can do it at home tomorrow. Okay. The question is, solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus 1 x plus y plus 1 upon 2x plus 2y plus 2. Solve the differential equation x plus y plus 1 plus 2x plus 2y plus 1. Not 2. Okay. ठीक है, ये solve करेंगे, हमने complete कर लिया. Now listen. So those who want to read on the answer is explanation once again. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या है? dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 1 upon 6x plus 9y plus 6. This is a differential equation. So first you have to identify. ये आपको पहचानना है पहले कि ये वेरिएबल सेपरेबल है, होमोजेनियस है या नॉन होमोजेनियस है. Because we have done these three types till now. तो होमोजेनियस तो बोल नहीं सकता because x and y degrees are 1, लेकिन ये 1 की डिग्री 0 है. होमोजेनियस नहीं है. Then you can think of variable separable. You want to separate the variables. तो x और y को अलग-अलग करके dy के साथ और dx के साथ करना आना चाहिए, बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल क्योंकि ये डिनोमिनेटर में एडिशन है. वो भी स्प्लिट कैसे करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर में भी है, कैसे स्प्लिट? सो इट इज नॉट वेरिएबल सेपरेबल, इट इज नॉट होमोजेनियस. सो एंड इट इज ऑफ डिग्री 1 टर्म विद कांस्टेंट व्हिच इज ऑफ द टाइप a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2. दिस टाइप, दैट मींस इट इज नॉन होमोजेनियस. तो नॉन होमोजेनियस में x के कोएफिशिएंट देखो और y के कोएफिशिएंट देखो. What is the coefficient of x? 2 and 6. व्हाट आर द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y 3 and 9. तो ये डिनोमिनेटर a1 क्या है, x का कोएफिशिएंट न्यूमरेटर a1 is 2 और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है 6, दैट इज a2. तो a1 by a2 will become 2 by 6 and b1 by b2 किसके कोएफिशिएंट है y3. तो दैट इज 3 and 9. So 3 by 9. तो दोनों कंपेयर करके देखो, इट्स टर्निंग आउट टू बी इक्वल. So whenever a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, इस एक्सप्रेशन में न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में कोई तो टर्म कॉमन रहेगा. So if you take 3 common from 6x plus 9, यहाँ से 3 कॉमन लिया तो what will remain 2x plus 3y. तो दोनों जगह न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर you can see 2x plus 3y. That term you have to substitute as u. ये जो कॉमन फैक्टर है उसको u सब्स्टिट्यूट करना.
ये ऑफिस एक बार dy dx ना ऊपर वाला
ये वाला
हाँ
ये 6x plus 9y से आपने 3 कॉमन लिया तो क्या रहेगा 2x plus 3y बचेगा ना. ओके तो 3 कॉमन लिया इसलिए दोनों जगह पे यू कैन सी दैट द फैक्टर इज कॉमन 2x plus 3y 2x plus 3y. तो वो हम लोगों को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. Whatever is the common factor that I have to substitute as new variable u, so that I will get ये differential equation जो xy में था अभी वो हमें u और x पे देगा. ये differentiation किसके साथ कर रहे हैं x के साथ. तो वो बचेगा सिर्फ y को रिप्लेस y को इन द सेंस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन को रिप्लेस करेंगे u से ताकि जो नया इक्वेशन आएगा दैट विल बी ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ u and x. तो फॉर दैट यहाँ पे dy by dx लिख रहा है तो dy चला जाना चाहिए. सो आई हैव टू फाइंड dy by dx. वो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे 2x plus 3y is equal to u को डिफरेंशिएट करो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x डिफरेंशिएट करने पर 2 तो वैसे ही रहेगा. x का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x इज 1 प्लस 3 है ये y का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x मतलब dy by dx और u का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x मतलब du by dx. ठीक है ये स्टेप समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
एवरीवन
नहीं मैम
ओके
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
अभी इसको
मैं नहीं
रिफ्रेम
समझा
क्या नहीं समझा
लास्ट स्टेप
ये वाला. इस इक्वेशन को डिफरेंशिएट करना है x के साथ. डिफरेंशिएट करना मतलब क्या करना है डेरिवेटिव लेना और इस वेरिएबल के साथ x वेरिएबल के साथ. तो x का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या है 1 ना
1
और y का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या है dy by dx और u का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या है du by
डिफरेंशिएटिंग टेक्स्ट करना है ना बस.
हां डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x.
ठीक है मैम.
ओके तो वो लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे हम लोगों को दिख रहा है कि 2 plus 3 dy by dx हो रहा है लेकिन क्वेश्चन में तो dy by dx है. सो यू रिफ्रेम दिस इन सच अ वे दैट यू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx. तो वो रिफ्रेम कैसे करोगे dy by dx को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रखो बाकी सब टर्म राइट हैंड साइड में कर दो. तो ये 2 अगर राइट हैंड साइड में आया तो -2 होगा. यस
यस
और ये 3 जो मल्टीप्लाई है dy by dx में वो आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में dy by 3.
यस मैम.
So dy by dx will become du by dx minus 2 divided by 3. This value we have to substitute in equation 1. ये जो आपका equation 1 है ना उसमें substitute करना है. कौन क्या क्या substitute करना है 2x plus 3y you have to substitute as well as dy by dx. तो dy by dx क्या है du by dx minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to now 2x plus 3y क्या substitute करना है u minus 1. Then 6x plus 9y क्या हो गया था 3 times 2x plus 3y. So 3 times u और ये 6 as it is. Okay? Clear?
मॅम ते वरचं नाही कळत आहे
यस
dy upon dx वाला.
हाँ हे बघ इकडे एका बाजूचे टर्म दुसऱ्या बाजूला देताना काय होतं प्लस असेल तर मायनस होतं आणि मल्टिप्लाइड असेल तर डिवाइड होतं ना.
यस मॅम.
तर हा 2 जर इकडे गेला तर काय होणार -2 होणार ना. dy by dx तिथेच ठेवा. ठीक है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ला ठेवा dy by dx. तर हा 2 इकडे आल्यावरती dy by dx -2 होणार.
हां कळलं मॅम. डिवाइडला गेला 3.
हां ठीक आहे. आता ही व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ना ती मी इकडे इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये पुट केली. dy by dx काय आहे dy by dx इज दिस du by dx -2 by 3. यस
यस मॅम.
आम्हाला लेफ्ट हँड साइड कंप्लीट झाली. आता राइट हँड साइड बघा. व्हाट इज योर राइट हँड साइड 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 ला मी काय पुट केलंय u. So that will become u. तर याला -1. तो इकडे -1 तसा झाला आणि इथे 6x plus 9y is 3 times 2x plus 3y. So 3 times 3x plus 2y काय आहे u. So 3 plus 6 तसाच आहे. बरोबर?
यस मॅम.
सबस्टिट्यूट केलं आणि आता काय फक्त व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल करून सॉल्व करायचं. तो व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल सॉल्व करताना पहिल्यांदा यू कॅन टेक दिस 3 कॉमन या दोन denominator same, but taken 3 common. So when you take 3 common, and what will be left is u plus 2. So 3 and 3 cancels. Then du by dx minus 2 is equal to u minus 1 upon u plus 2. This 2 again I got it on right hand side, minus 2 will become plus 2. इथे जो minus 2 होता तो right hand side ला आणल्यावरती plus 2 होता. आता हे simplify करा. So u into 2 is 2u. U into 2 into 2 is 4 with plus sign. So u minus 1 plus 2u plus 4 divided by the denominator. ह्याला simplify करा. U plus 2u is 3u. Okay, I'll write it here. This is 3u plus 3 divided by u plus 2. du by dx. Okay? Let's simplify it. So now I can clearly see that I can separate out the variables. U can be taken along with du and dx on the other side. But if I want to take the right hand side term in left hand side, it will go as reciprocal. हा खालचा denominator वर जाईल आणि वरचा term खाली येईल. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will become u plus 2 upon 3u plus 3 du is equal to dx. And then take that 3 common in the denominator. To take 3 common, what remains is u plus 1. U plus 2 is treated as u plus 1 plus 1. म्हणजे a plus b divided by c is a by c plus b by c. That is 1 u plus 1 upon u plus 1 is 1. And I have written the step directly here. The steps ज़्यादा कमी नहीं होंगी. तो ये समझने का मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ इससे? U plus 1 divided by u plus 1 म्हणजे 1. And 1 upon u plus 1. That's a integration. Du integration is u. 1 upon u plus 1 चे integration log of u plus 1. dx चे integration x plus c. याच्यात डाउट आहे का? मध्ये स्टेप लेक्चरच आहे. इथे please tell me please.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we got that and then substitute the value of u, that is 2x plus 3.
मॅम एकदा परत सांगा ते स्टेप
Which step?
ती इंटिग्रेशन मध्ये
this is u plus 2 क्या है? That I have split it. U plus 1 plus 1. ठीक है?
येस मॅम
आणि u plus 3 मध्ये 3 कॉमन घेतला तर राहिला काय u plus 1 राहिला.
हां
सो आता ह्याला मी स्प्लिट करून कसं घेते? This is 1 by 3
1 plus 1 का लिहितात?
कारण डिनॉमिनेटर काय आहे u plus 1 आहे. जर मला याचे इंटिग्रेशन करायचं असेल आणि मी जर u plus 2 वर u plus 1 कसं लिहिलं तर मला इंटिग्रेट करताना पॉलिनॉमियल बाय पॉलिनॉमियलचा फॉर्म्युला एकदा लक्षात ठेवावा लागेल. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ ax plus b upon cx plus d which is quite lengthy. I have given you, I have rewrite it. But remember in the formulas is rather lengthy. त्याच्यामुळे जेव्हा असं असतं पॉलिनॉमियल बाय पॉलिनॉमियल try to adjust. आणि ऍडजस्ट काय करायचं डिनॉमिनेटरचा जो टर्म असतो तो वरती ऍडजस्ट करायचा. डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये काय आहे u plus 1. तर ह्या u plus 2 ला मी स्प्लिट करते u plus 1 plus 1. सपोज इथे u plus 3 असतं. If it was u plus 3 then I would have written u plus 1 plus 2. So that u plus 1 cancel both. 1 upon u plus 1 चे integration I know. That's why I'm splitting it like this. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. So now you get u plus 1 upon u plus 1 means 1. Integration of 1 plus 1 upon u plus 1 d is equal to x integration by dx integration x plus c. Now you write down 1 by 3 as this. Integration of 1 with respect to u. It is important here. With respect to which variable it is u. So what's the integration of 1? It is u. Plus 1 upon u plus 1 integration is log of u plus 1. काय है log of u plus 1? U plus 1 चा डेरिवेटिव काय है with respect to u 1? जो वरती आहे. So this is of the type integration l dash of x upon f of x. तर याचे इंटिग्रेशन काय असतं? log of f of x. Integration of f dash of x upon f of x is log of f of x. So 1 upon u plus 1 integration will be log of u plus 1 is equal to x plus c. And now let's substitute the value of u here as well as here. What's the value of u? 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3. That will be the final answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The students who I have given the other question, have you completed that?
येस मॅम
What's the answer you got?
Yes, ma'am.
6y minus 3x
equals to c.
6y minus 3x, correct?
minus log of 3x plus 3y plus 2 equal to c.
Everybody got this answer? This is the right answer, huh? The correct answer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So those who have not tried, they were listening to what I was explaining. You please try it again for this example. If you have understood now what I have done, I have repeated the explanation. Please try this example, and the answer of this is correct. Is 6x minus 6y minus 3x minus log of
3x plus 2y 3y plus 2
plus 2
equal
is
to
equal
c.
to c. So this is the answer. Okay, please go through. C is equal to 6y minus 3x minus log of 3x plus 3y plus 2. This is the answer of that question which I have written in the beginning. First question, dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus 1 upon 2x plus 2y plus 1. That's the question, and the answer is in bracket. So you please try that question, okay, at home. Those who have not done it. So that was type 1. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by A2. Now let us go to type 2. This is rather lengthier than type 1. So they may ask you in parts, or again they may ask you in entire question also. So let us see what we are doing, how we are going to solve that if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by D2. Can anybody guess A1 by A2 if it is not equal to B1 by D2? What will we have any common factor there?
Ma'am, we can convert the factor
Okay.
of the numerator.
Okay. Yes, correct. You have to try to get it in this form. From non-homogeneous type 1, if you are able to get it to non-homogeneous type, from non-homogeneous type 2, if you are able to get it to type 1, or we can get it to homogeneous, or we can get it to variable separation. Any of the one method or that we have already done, if you are able to do that, then we'll be able to solve it. So let us see how do we go if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay. So here there are two substitutions and there are two back substitutions. So let me write down case 2 if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is the symbol for not equal. Okay. We'll start directly with an example and then I'll tell you the methods or what you have to write. So take down the question, solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 divided by 2x plus y minus 3. Dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 upon 2x plus y minus 3. This is your question. Differential equation. Okay. Now again, obviously, this is not variable separable. This is not homogeneous. Homogeneous क्यों नहीं है कोई बता सकता है? कृष्णा you there? Roll number 53. Today you are present. 53 division C. Whichever roll number if I call and if you are not answering, even if you are present, I will ask you absent now. You tell me, try to tell the answer at least. I don't want correct answer. You should at least approach toward this question. Roll number 1, division C.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, yes. Is this homogeneous differential equation?
No.
No, because the degrees are not the same. What is the other reason? There is constant.
X to the power
Right?
0.
Yes, there is a constant. So this is not homogeneous. Then, is it A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
A1
there.
is Prashant, can you answer? A1 is 1 और A2 क्या है?
2 है.
And what is B1 by B2?
2 by 1.
2 by 1.
2 by 1. So they are not equal. And that's why I cannot find any common factor. So here we are going to do some substitution so that it becomes homogeneous. Just see how, okay? You listen to this question, second one you will try. So what I will do, the first substitution that I will want to do is put small x as capital X plus h. Anybody knows how to go about it? If you know, then you can get it.
Ma'am, the board is not visible in that side, in right side.
Right
No,
now you
ma'am.
can see.
It's
This
visible.
side.
It's visible.
It's visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's visible. Ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k. This you can see, Saidi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are your variables. Original variables are small x and small y. New variables are capital X and capital Y. Okay? Please listen carefully. This is quite lengthy, so you have to be patient to go up in the last step. So this is your first substitution. But what I have dy by dx also. So what is the value of dx? How do you get change in x? H and k are constants.
Capital DX.
Yes, h and k are constants. So dx is capital Dx, small dx is capital Dx. Listen carefully please again. जिनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था तो पहला एक एग्जांपल. Change in small x can be change in capital X. क्योंकि ये h तो कांस्टेंट है तो इसमें चेंज जो है वो जीरो है. फिक्स्ड कांस्टेंट होता है तो उसको चेंज कर ही नहीं सकते. डायरेक्टली इट इज जीरो. So dx क्या होगा? कैपिटल dx. और dy small क्या होगा?
Capital dy.
Capital dy. Clear to everyone? I'm going slowly specifically because of this example. So small dx is capital Dx, small dy is capital dy. Therefore, what will be your differential equation now? Yes, who will tell me?
dy by dx.
dy by dx.
हा प्रयत्न करा. ज्यांना समजत नाही त्यांनी प्रयत्न करा. dy by dx जो होता तो आता काय होणार? dy means what? It is the capital Y.
Capital Y.
आणि d capital X. बरोबर? Everyone?
Yes.
सगळ्यांना समजते ना प्लीज? अंकिता?
No, miss.
Okay, so dy by dx is equal to small x. What is small x? Capital X plus H. Plus इथे 2y च्या जागेवरती काय होणार? 2 capital Y
K.
plus
Capital Y plus
2k.
2h.
2k.
Yes, k.
Y is along with k, so 2k minus 3. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, let's say you are there. You're gonna find x plus h plus 2y plus 2k minus 3. And what about the denominator?
2 capital X plus
Capital X plus H
Capital
plus
X plus
capital Y
2h
plus K.
2h.
plus capital Y plus
Capital
K
Y plus K
minus 3. Okay? Fine? Yeah. So this is your new differential equation. I will rewrite it in a nice way first and second. So this is d capital Y upon d capital X is equal to capital X plus 2y plus h plus 2k minus 3 divided by 2x plus y plus 2h plus k minus 3. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now, still, is it a homogeneous form? है क्या homogeneous form में अभी भी?
No.
नहीं है. Because h plus 2k minus 3, 2h plus k minus 3 ये तो constants यहाँ पे है ना? दिशा पे है. So it's not homogeneous. So can I make it homogeneous now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell me how to make it homogeneous?
The set of constants can be
मैम h और कांस्टेंट को अलग करना पड़ेगा और a1 और x को अलग करना पड़ेगा.
अलग करना पड़ेगा मतलब क्या करना पड़ेगा?
मैम h plus 2k minus 3 and 2h plus k minus 3 दोनों को 0 इक्वेट करेंगे. h and k ऐसा चुनेंगे कि वो
वेरी गुड. देखो सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पे ये क्यों नहीं बोला था होमोजेनियस? बिकॉज़ ऑफ -3 कैन आई जस्ट रिमूव -3 लाइक दैट? कैन आई से दैट -3 is 0? कह सकते हैं क्या? -3 0 होता है क्या?
No.
It is not. So I cannot directly do it. That's why I will introduce two unknowns h and k in such a way कि जो constant आएगा ना h plus 2k minus 3 2h plus k minus 3 this equation I can compare to 0. Select h and k in such a way that this expression in h k and this expression in h k is 0. Can I do that? वो कर सकते हैं. Fixed constant को हम लोग 0 नहीं बना सकते. लेकिन अगर इक्वेशन रहा तो उसको 0 बना सकते हैं ना h और k की वैल्यू सिलेक्ट करके.
Yes, ma'am.
समजते का सगळ्यांना? म्हणजे अशा फिक्स h आणि k च्या व्हॅल्यूज अशा निवडायच्या की तो त्याचे एक्सप्रेशन आलं. The expression which we have got x plus 2k minus 3 to h plus k minus 3 that should turn out to be 0. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So select h comma k such that h plus 2k minus 3 is 0 and 2h plus k minus 3 is 0. Okay, if you want to use this calculator, while a normal method of elimination of multiply this equation by 2, this equation by 1, and you get the value of h and k. Those who know get it quickly, for the others I will do. Multiply this with 2, multiply this with 1. So 2h plus 4k is equal to 6, and 2h plus k is equal to 3. So minus, this is 3, k is equal to 3, so k is equal to 1, and h is also equal to, what is it? H is equal to, I'll take one of the equation actually. 3, yeah. 3 minus 2.
1 1.
So h is 1 and h is 1. Okay, now you don't, even if you put x is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1, what will be this equation becoming? This equation 2, even equation was 1. Therefore, equation 2 becomes
d capital y by d capital x is equal to
becomes d capital Y upon d capital X is equal to x plus 2y
upon 2x
upon 2x plus y. Is this okay to everyone? Because this term have been made 0. ये 0 कर दिए ना? कभी उसको फिर से h और k की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा. So don't do that. Directly write this expression. समझ में आ सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now what is this? Yeah.
मॅम ते वाला सांगता का परत 2h
हाँ हे क्या आपले
हां
आठवीत केलेलं ना हे आपण असं जर दोन इक्वेशन असतील h plus 2k आपल्याला इक्वेशन काय मिळाले h plus 2k minus 3 is 0 and 2h plus k minus 3 is 0. So those equation I have to solve such that I get the value of x. ते क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं एलिमिनेशन करते x चं. तो एलिमिनेट h पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये काय x चं कोएफिशिएंट 1 आणि इकडे काय आहे 2. तर त्याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं त्याला 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. पूर्ण इक्वेशन ना. So 2 into h is 2h, 2 into 2k is 4k, 2 into 3 is 6. But that I do once, right hand side so plus 6, minus 6 the plus 6. Now 1 ने multiply करें, so it is as it is. 2h plus k is equal to 3. And then cancel out this by subtraction. 2h minus, इसे plus असेल तर minus, इसे plus असेल तर minus, इसे plus असेल तर minus, minus असेल तर plus. So 2h gets cancelled, 4k minus k is 3k, 6 minus 3 is 3, so k is equal to 1. And substitute this value of k in equation, this equation. Say h plus 2k is equal to 3, 3 minus 2k is h is 3 minus 2k, so 3 minus 2 into 1, and 3 minus 2 which is 1. So h and k value have got to be equal to 1. Okay? Rana?
yes ma'am कळालं.
Yes. या h and k च्या व्हॅल्यूज साठी we get this expression, हा टर्म आता झाला 0 आणि हा पण टर्म झाला 0. So what is left? X plus 2y upon 2x plus 1. Okay?
ओके मॅम.
Now this is homogeneous differential equation. So once it is homogeneous, what you do? And it is given by the expression. So you have to put y by x is equal to new variable u, or y is equal to x into new variable u. And therefore, dy by dx is nothing but, what is dy by dx? X का डेरिवेटिव 1 u as it is plus x as it is du by dx. dy by dx is u plus x du by dx. Okay, and now substitute this here, so it will become u plus x du by dx is equal to
1 plus
1 plus हाँ सर ठीक से ना तुम्हारा हाँ this I will rewrite it. So when I divide by x, this will become 1 plus 2y by x, and this will become 2 plus y by x. For those who are divide and multiply, both the places I am doing by x. Multiply and dividing by x, this is 1 plus 2y by x, this is 2 plus y by x. So this will become now dy by dx is this. So it is u plus x du by dx is equal to 1 plus 2u upon 2 plus u. This is your expression. And now this can be converted to variables separately. So try to see how you can convert it to variable and solve it. I will write on that side. Okay, so what we got now? X du by dx is equal to 1 plus 2u divided by 2 plus u minus u. To simplify this is 1 plus 2u minus 2u minus u square divided by 2 plus u is x du by dx. So 2u and 2u gets cancelled, and separating out it as variables, you get 2 plus u upon 1 minus u square du is equal to dx by x. Is equal to dx by x. So now the solution is integration of what we are doing? Integrating it. 2 plus u upon 1 minus u square du is equal to integration dx by x plus, I'm writing a log c. Let's see whether it is useful to write log c or c later. Okay? Can everybody see what I have written and understood up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. Shivam? Shivam Jagadra, have you not? Roll number 6, roll number 37. Have you understood, Shivam? I think so. The students are just physically present, not mentally. So 2 plus 2 upon 1 minus u square. I will mark you absent if you are not answering. You have to be बोलो.
तो तिथं आपण लॉग सी का घेतलाय तर सांगता का?
ते पुढे जाऊन सांगणार आहे त्यामुळे थांब. कारण ते इंटिग्रेशनचे आन्सर सगळे जर लॉग मध्ये आले ना तर log a plus b log a plus log b ह्याचा फॉर्म्युला यूज करू शकतो म्हणून log c दिलाय. तर ते पुढे गेल्यानंतर घ्यायचं की नाही ते कन्फर्म करू. Up till this everybody, yeah.
मॅम ते आपल्याला कन्व्हिनियन्स पडावं म्हणून आपण घेतो ना कॉन्स्टंट लॉग.
Yes, you can take C also, but what happens sometimes in your MCQ exam, when you take log C only, you get that answer which is given to you. And what decides how to decide whether you take log or tan inverse x, tan inverse c depends on the answer which you are getting. बाकी जो integrations है, the remaining integration, if all those are in terms of log, take the constant as log c. If all the integrations in the remaining terms are tan inverse of x and tan inverse of y, take tan inverse of c. Okay, that. So now I think so. See here, this is 1 by x. What's the integration of 1 by x? Log x. So I can take together log x plus log c as log of x into c. That's how I written. Okay. So till now everyone, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go ahead and solve this integration. Yes. How to do this integration?
We can separate it 2 plus u, 2 by 1 minus u square plus u upon 1 minus u
Denominator
square.
1 plus q into 1 minus q.
Yes, yes. You can do that way and you'll get the answer. That is also correct. 1 upon a square minus u square. That formula you can use. 1 upon a square minus u square. But again, then you will see that there are terms which are taken together and then you do cancellation. Okay, fine. If you separate out the terms, wherever it is polynomial by polynomial in degree 1, it will become more simple to separate out and solve. If you go by direct separation here, it will become what's the derivative of 1 minus u square? It is minus 2. So again you have to add that, again you have to add that minus 1 by 2. And then if you don't take the terms together, your final answer will not match. So generally when the degrees are different, okay, when the degrees are different, first thing you have to try is whether the derivative directly can be adjusted. Now it is not, because 1 minus u square derivative is minus 2 u just. Again we get a term of the type 2 upon 1 minus u square. So again, integration of 1 upon a square minus u square should be. So what you do in this case, at least in this example, I feel is to try to separate the denominator. How did that strike me? Because what are the factors of 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 2 square? It is 1 minus 2 and 1 plus 2. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
And then 1, 2 plus u is there in the numerator, so I can write it as 1 plus 1 plus u. And then it will get divided. So go for partial fractions. That will be more simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So
Ma'am? Is the answer tan inverse y by x plus log of x minus y upon x square equal to log c?
No, there is no tan inverse term.
प्लस होगा तो tan आएगा.
The answer I tell you is x minus y the whole cube. X minus y the whole cube is equal to c into x plus y minus 2. So it is such a term it is there, cubic equation. So let us
Ma'am, the integration log 1 plus u upon 1 minus u minus half log 1 minus u square is equal to log x plus log c.
Yes. So when you will try to convert that into this form, it will become a bit complicated because that minus half it will come in square root.
Yeah.
And then you get the fraction as 3 by 2 value. And then you have to again square it. And you'll get the final answer. But the number of steps will increase. That's why I'm giving you alternate method. That method is also not wrong. But if you do small mistake in collecting the coefficients, then your final answer will be wrong.
Yes.
Are you getting it? That's fine. That way also you will get the answer. But the number of steps here you are going to get 5 steps, then there you are going to get 10 to 15 steps. Because you have to again use the formula of log a by b minus log b, which will be log of a by b into 1 by c like that. And then collecting the coefficients, powers, cancelling out log n. Okay, so just see what I'm doing. I'm doing partial fraction 1 minus u square, which is actually 2 plus u upon 1 minus u into 1 plus. This is one way, okay? If you are able to go ahead with that, whatever she told just now, and are able to collect the coefficients properly, then you get the answer. So this will become equal to a upon, this you all have done in your 11 and 12 partial fractions. So I'm doing this. So 2 plus u upon this will become 2 plus u upon 1 minus u, 1 plus u is a upon 1 minus u, b upon 1 plus u. So simplifying this, what we get is 2 plus u is equal to a into 1 plus u plus b into 1 minus u. Is it okay? Denominators are same, so I'm not comparing only the numerator. Is this step clear to everyone? ये समझ में आया क्या? 2 plus u upon 1 minus u square. इसके factors 1 minus u 1 plus u है, तो ये product में लिखी है 2 plus u as it is, which is equal to this. Cross multiply a into u plus 1 plus b into u minus 1 is 1 minus u square, 1 minus u square. वो तो चला गया numerator दोनों ये compare करें. तो यहाँ पे मुझे ना I have to find the values of a and b. So I have to find the value of a and b. Put u is equal to minus 1. A will go. 1 minus 1 will become 0. B will be 0. So 2 minus 1 is equal to b into 1 minus of minus plus 1. तो क्या हो गया आपकी b की वैल्यू मॉडिफाई कर I substitute u is equal to minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1 is 1 and this is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Correct? And then put the value of u is equal to plus 1. So ये चला जाएगा 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1. And therefore, where we had started and let's see how long the question is. Please write it down along with this simultaneously, then only it is possible to understand. So we got 3 is equal to 2a and therefore a is equal to 3 by 2. So got the value of a and b and therefore your expression which was 2 plus u upon 1 minus u square is now becoming 3 by 2 upon 1 minus u plus 1 by 2
upon 1 plus
1 by 2 upon 1 plus 2. And therefore, now your equation, this I call as 3. Therefore, equation 3 is integration of 3 by 2 upon 1 minus u plus integration now upon 1 plus u du is equal to log of x plus log of c. So this is what's the derivative of 1 minus u?
Minus log of 1 minus u.
Minus log of
So minus 3 by 2 log of 1 minus u plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus u is equal to log of x into c. Log of x into c. Still, we have to back substitute the value of u, back substitute the value of x, that will give us the final answer. So that is c of the end. So there is a 1 by log of 1 plus u minus 3 times log of 1 minus u is equal to, I am taking that 2 on other side, 2 log of xc. What I did? Minus I wrote this side and first term I wrote plus. So this will become log of 1 plus u. Should I write directly? Upon 1 minus u cubed. Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b, this minus
log a by b.
Okay, log a by b. So 3 is gone on top. Or if you want, I'll still write that equation. So log of 1 plus u minus log of 1 minus u the whole cube is equal to log of x square c square. So log a minus b is log a by b. So 1 upon u upon 1 plus
1 minus
u the whole cube is equal to log of x square c square. Now taking anti-log 1 plus u upon 1 minus u the whole cube is equal to x square c1. C square can be written as c1. Now back substitute u, then back substitute x and y. So 1 plus what is u? Y by x.
y by x.
1 minus y by x the whole cube is equal to x square c1. Okay. Simplify that. Simplify that is x plus y divided by x upon x minus y divided by x cube is equal to x square c. I'm writing each and every step. Okay. With this x and this square will get cancelled. It is x plus y. X square is in denominator, so it will go in the numerator upon x minus y the whole cube is equal to x square c. So again x square term gets this, and then let's substitute the value of capital X and capital Y. What was small x? Capital X plus h. Therefore capital X will be small x minus h. What was small h? H was 1. Small y was capital Y plus k. So capital Y will be small y minus k. K was also 1. So you substitute and you get the answer. So it is x minus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to, this x square is 1, c into x. So that is x minus 1 minus y. So minus y minus 1 minus plus 1 cube. So that will give you x plus y minus 2 is equal to c into x minus y. That's your answer. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is very lengthy question. So if your luck is really tough, or there you will get this type of questions in your MCQ, or they break it. They
मैम
ask you
MCQ में आने वाला है क्या?
MCQ में आपको h और k के वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए आ सकते हैं. They are given the values of h and k. What is the reframed differential equation? आ सकता है. Okay. Till now, never this type of questions were asked, but can't say because now the number of questions they are increasing. So actually, it is not expected such a long question to be asked in MCQ, but still, at least parts of it may be asked. What is the value of x? What is the value of k? Even the values of x. What is the final solution? Integration may be asked like that. Okay. So let me just revise it. I'll revise that and write down the steps. So please first complete this, then I'll give you the general mechanism and one question for homework. Have you finished writing?
If we would not take a and b, it would have, the denominator would have gone in something 3 by 2 powers or something, right?
Yes, 3 by 2. And then you have to square it and get the answer. That is this form. Okay, clear? Everyone? I'll take 5 more minutes and then we'll stop. I have to take your attendance also. Quickly. लिखा क्या सबने? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what we will do is I'll just write down the steps. Take down the steps quickly. If dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2, if dy by x is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2 is such that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then put small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Capital Y plus k. Okay. And dx is equal to capital Dx, dy is equal to capital dy. So that one can be converted to homogeneous differential equation in capital X, capital Y, capital X, capital Y by selecting values of h comma k such that constant part becomes 0. Constant part becomes 0. Okay. Then solving the next step we write down. Step 2 if you want to write down. Solving the homogeneous differential equation in capital X, capital Y. Capital X, capital Y, using variable u, solution will be obtained.
Ma'am, can you repeat this point?
Step 2.
Only this point after.
Step 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What I said, converting to homogeneous, na? In step 2, I said converting to homogeneous.
Solving differential something.
Solving homogeneous differential equation. Solving homogeneous differential equation using variable u. Define solution in terms of u and x, capital U or u and x, whichever variable you have written in your notebook, capital U and capital X. Step 3 you write down, capital U and capital X. Then step 3 you write down. That substitute the variable u. That substitute the variable u as y by x. Variable u as y by x and which y by x? Capital Y and capital X. Capital Y by capital X. That substitute u is equal to capital Y by capital X and capital X is equal to small x minus h. Capital X is equal to small x minus h and capital Y as small y minus k. small y minus k. So that we get the solution of given differential equation. So that we get the solution of given differential equation. So can you see? So that we get solution of given differential equation. Can you see that we are having two substitutions and two back substitutions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why the process is looking lengthy. So first you have to substitute two capital X and capital Y, then you have to substitute U and again back substitute in place of U, Y and X, and in place of Y and X, small x and small y. Okay, so you take one question for homework now and try to do it tomorrow. We will see how many of you got it. And those who have not answered today, roll number 28, 29, roll number 5, roll number 53 of C division, all the students should be.
मैम कृष्णा चैट बॉक्स में आया था.
मॅम त्याचा माईक खराब आहे बोलतो.
Okay, so he was. ठीक है. You please complete your notes. At least these students. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna. Okay. So complete the notes and WhatsApp me. Siddharth Mohite, Manali Mohite. I want you all to study. Then only you will be able to cope up with this differential equations. Unit 2 is easy. Just small differential equation you have to solve. The solution you can get. But first unit is actually you have to solve. Okay. You have to solve it. Fine. So take on the question which you can try for homework. Dy by dx. Solve. Dy by dx plus 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y divided by y plus 2. I'll write down the question. Dy by dx is equal to plus 2x plus 3y divided by y plus 2 is equal to, this is the differential equation. Solve this differential equation. Dy by dx plus 2x plus 3y upon y plus 2 is equal to 0. So obviously this is not homogeneous because of 2 which is present in the denominator. Okay? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll take your attendance quickly. Whose turn is today? Division D or Division C?
मॅम आणि A1 upon A2 is not
Division
equal
C.
to B1 upon
Division D.
B2 ना?
Just a second.